Heyo, it's Theo. Welcome back to my new video. So today I will show you another room from Renaissance Bali Uluwatu Resort and Spa. And today's room is a suite room with one king bed. It has garden view and it has balcony as well. So check this out. This spacious suite one king bed balcony garden view room is 635 square foot. And it costs 3,327,500 rupiahs, or around 227 US dollar per room per night. My first impression is I like how bright this room is. It's so bright and also kept the luxurious feeling. But there is one thing that I noticed when I first entered this room. There is no physical barrier or like divider that kept the shower area private, so people from the pantry can see the live show when you take a shower. From that, I cannot help but think that this room is supposed to be for couples or when you travel alone. Because if you travel with your family, I don't think anyone could get any privacy in the shower or in the bathtub. Now, let me take you around the room so you can see how gorgeous this room is. And then I'm going to take you outside to see the balcony. And there's a sunbathing area outside facing the garden, which is very serene. It's good for healing. Overall, I think this suite room is wonderful and the view from my room is gorgeous. So that's all my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out my video about the 2 twin beds balcony garden view from Renaissance Bali Uluwatu Resort and Spa. I will put the link down below pinned in the comment section, so you can check that out as well. And I see you on my next video. Ciao!